In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a voice in Higgsfield AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to Higgsfield.ai, sign into your account, and then from here, we've got a few different ways we can do this. So we can click on the video, we can create a video or do lip sync studio. I'm going to do lip sync studio for this demonstration. Now from here we can go ahead and add an image. So if you want to add an image, you can do so like so. We can put in audio text, and this is what they're going to speak. So if I go ahead and put this prompt in here, so saying don't forget to like and subscribe, and also we've got a prompt here, so a friendly engaging person speaking. So if I press play,
don't forget to like and subscribe.
so that's pretty cool actually. Now if we go ahead and click on change, we can change the style. So we got different type of speaking here. So we got WAN 2.5, Cling, Higgsfield Speak 2, Infinite Talk. So you can go ahead and check out all of these. You can use any one of these as well. But yeah, basically come back here, put in your text, or you can generate audio. So you can click or upload it. So we can click into it. We can generate if you want. We can go ahead and upload. Clicking on upload, drag and drop a file into here if you got a certain file or audio voice you want to upload.